Hey there, just moved to the US for college or planning to? I get it, everything feels new and expensive. From buying groceries to paying for Wi-Fi, every dollar counts. And if you've heard people say you need a credit score, yep, that's real. But don't stress. Today I've got something super helpful for you, one of the best student credit cards out there that not only helps you build credit, but also gives you cash back on everything you buy. Let's talk about the Capital One Quicksilver Rewards card for students and why it might be the smartest first step for your US money journey. No complicated categories, no rotating offers, just a clean, unlimited 1.5% cash back on every single purchase. Groceries? 1.5%. Books? 1.5%. Late night pizza after class? Yep, 1.5%. There's zero annual fee, which means you don't have to worry about extra charges just for keeping the card. That's a big win when you're already on a student budget. Capital One helps you track your credit journey with CreditWise, a free tool that shows your score and what's impacting it. And if you make your payments on time, they'll likely offer you a higher credit limit within a few months. The card comes with $0 fraud liability, meaning if someone steals your card info, you're not responsible for unauthorized charges. Plus, their mobile app is super intuitive for managing payments and tracking spend. Full-time or part-time students, people with limited or no credit history, US students with a Social Security number, SSN. If you're new to the US credit system and want a no-fuss, reward-packed way to build your financial future, the Capital One Quicksilver Student Card is definitely worth considering. Just remember, always pay off your balance in full. Never miss a due date. Use the cash back but don't chase it.